Greetings and salutations to all esteemed members of Wealthy Coin. This market action will unexpectedly decide the fate of Shiba Inu currency. Tragic news of the day, the past always seems to repeat itself. In order to persuade cryptocurrency investors that the bear market will come to a close and the bull market will finally come, this is a crucial point to make. Do not sit on your hands. Instead, begin searching for cryptocurrencies that will appreciate in value during the next bull run. Watch this video and we'll talk about how this market action, which is a bit of a surprise, will decide what happens to the Shiba Inu coin. Daily updates about Shiba Inu. Show your support by subscribing to the channel, sharing the video, and giving it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for our latest expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Now is the time to begin the video. As a meme, the Shiba Inu is a Japanese dog. An Ethereum-based coin featuring the Shiba Inu dog as its emblem is referred to as the Shiba Inu meme coin. Among meme currencies, Shiba Inu has one of the fastest growth rates in 2021. In meme currency, the Shiba Inu dog represents a wide variety of coinage. Dogecoin, Floinu, and Doge Dash are just a few of the many uses for the dog outside Shiba Inu coins. The Shibu project explores the potential of smart contracts in contrast to Dogecoin. In light of Dogecoin's similarities to Bitcoin and its absence of smart contract functionality, Shiba Inu presents a formidable competitor. Further, a large number of tokens are utilized by the Shibu project. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is characterized by the simultaneous operation of Leash, Bone, and Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency allows users to stake, lend, and borrow funds. That DeFi tools are compatible with Shiba Inu as a result of the smart contracts functionality. Since Shiba Inu is currently in its meme coin phase, we have no idea when or if any utilities will be added. However, Shiba Inu's worth cannot be denied. Shiba Inu is one of the Bitcoin projects that has had the most impact on the meme industry. The introduction of Shiba Inu to the token market sparked widespread changes. This cryptocurrency was launched as a substitute for Dogecoin when it became clear that Dogecoin couldn't sustain its higher price point. The announcement of a better meme industry alternative piqued everyone's interest. The demand for a Dogecoin alternative was met by Shiba. Traders may have faith in Shibuya's superior performance since it fixes several of Dogecoin's problems. Shiba Inu will facilitate the movement of technology to the east and the exchange of cryptocurrencies. It will also be fun for developers to use this protocol to host their projects. The Shibu EOS system revolves upon the community. Users and traders of this cryptocurrency will always have control over its actions thanks to this technique. The Shiba ecosystem is home to as many as 650,000 creatures at present. The ticker symbol for this project is Shib. What Shiba Inu did on November 5th will be examined today. The Shiba Inu price seems to be finding a comfortable level between the horizontal support and resistance levels. A recent explosion sent the value of the second largest meme coin soaring to a peak of slightly more than 0.0000001500. However, Shib's stock dropped when investors cashed out. At this time, everyone is waiting to see what Shib will do next, especially with the increasing possibility of a 15% drop. There is a rectangle pattern forming as the Shib price consolidates. Further purchases are necessary to launch Shib into a northward surge, notwithstanding the purchasing pressure. Sellers will be ready to act if the Shib price breaks above the 50-day exponential moving average EMA, which is the most critical support level. Before the Shib price decisively broke above or below it on the chart for November 4th, a rectangle pattern that was previously deemed neutral was visible. Because of the declining pattern that came before the rectangle, the chances of Shib falling 15% from its current market value are higher. Traders seeking to establish short positions should consider Shiba Inu untradeable until its price falls clearly below the 50-day exponential moving average EMA. In order to achieve a 99.8% profit target of 0.000161, the ideal indication would be a breakdown below the rectangle support at 0.000277. It appears improbable that the Shiba Inu price would experience a bullish breakout, especially when considering the market value realized value (MVRV) profit model. The accompanying chart shows that most Shib holders are making money and will likely sell to cash out as they wait for entry opportunities. The MVRV determines the gain or loss for Shiba Inu token holders by comparing the token's current market value to its latest movement price. When readings are greater than 1, it usually means that the asset is expensive and causes a surge in overhead pressure. However, from the breakout point at 0.133, traders cannot rule out the possibility of a breakout of the rectangle's breadth. If bulls want to make sure this breakthrough happens, they need to start with the fighting support of the 50-day exponential moving average. On November 1st, the inventor took to Twitter to announce that, once the 1,000-page player's guide for Shib Eternity was finished, it would be released on November 2nd. Shibarium has now captured his focus. Many in the Shibarium community have taken to Kusama's tweets in a positive light, leading some to wonder if the Shib team will be releasing Shibarium documentation and a gaming guide for the Shibarium collectible card game at the same time. Shibarium, initially proposed by Shibarium creator Roshi, is a Layer 2 solution that will contain the Shib ecosystem and support the network's expanding capabilities. Because Shiba relies on the Ethereum network, consumers have been plagued by excessive gas fees, especially since the launch of Shosher NFTs. In addition, the problem persists despite Ethereum's transition to a proof-of-stake consensus network. Shibarium has the potential to drastically cut transaction fees in the Shib ecosystem, according to a blog post from April by Unification product lead Mazar Sudri. The approval process for transactions would be lightning fast and cost pennies. According to what Rashi had mentioned earlier, Shibarium would incur almost no transaction expenses. Shibarium will collect small fees for any game, service, or feature that builds upon it, according to the inventor, who made this announcement during a recent conversation on the Shib Discord. Furthermore, Shibarium will implement a complex burn process for Shib tokens, which would drastically reduce the supply of coins and perhaps cause values to rise. In addition to facilitating development, Shibarium has the potential to connect different ecosystems. Wallets, block explorers, and bridges for token transfers are all components that end users will need to participate. The operators of the testnet for unifications are now activating it. However, the exact date of Shibarium's release is yet unknown. But according to August comments made by Shib's Discord moderator Queenie, it will probably launch in late 2022. Shiba Inu seems to have lost some of the steam it had during last week's Dogecoin boom. At 0.1287, Shib was up 6.49% from the previous day's trading price. Prior to its weekend collapse, the value of the K9-themed coin rose by 56.62% last week, so that you can prepare for the inevitable financial collapse. Buying Shib can be a good idea. Hundreds of distinct companies have emerged because of this. We can only recommend one place where buying Shib with PayPal is easy and quick. After patiently waiting for updates, Shino investors are now eagerly awaiting news regarding the much-anticipated share of network, a Layer 2 solution now under development, particularly for the Shibarium community. Head Down Working was the subject of a tweet by Shushashu Kazama, the company's lead developer. The next update is on the way, and I think you're going to love it. Shiba Inu's investment experience is about to undergo a transformation thanks to Shibarium. Shib tokens have been doing well since Kusama's Shibarium tease, with a 34% gain in value over the past week. As of November 1st, the Shino ERC20 token is building the Layer 2 blockchain known as Shibarium. By integrating this network onto Ethereum, scalability will be significantly enhanced. According to Rashi, Shiba's founder, the solution would improve the metaverse environment by speeding up transactions, decreasing costs, and lowering transaction times. Ultimately, Shibarium wants to see Shiba succeed in its mission to become more than simply a meme token. Since its inception in 2020, the utility has stayed central to Shiba Inu, whether through decentralized ETH funding, governance, or non-fungible tokens. Among Shibarium's other utility-focused objectives is providing a platform for decentral ETH applications. It was Rashi's aim that the ecosystem would attract more projects and programmers. We have finished our topic for the day. Please subscribe, like, and share the channel to see our latest videos.